So tan A equal to x sin B.
Oh. Tan A is equal to
X sin B
x sin B
by 1 minus x cos B.
cos B. Okay.
Tan B equal to
Okay.
y sin A minus 1 minus cos A.
1 minus
Y cos A.
y cos A.
Find
Then
sin A minus sin B.
sin A by sin B is equal to what? Yes. Right. See students, all of you just find this sin A value. Tan A can be written as, yes, sin A by cos A. Am I right? Then this is equal to x sin B by 1 minus x cos B. Okay. So from this, what is sin A? Sin A value.
X sin B into cos A by 1 minus x sin.
Right. Like that to find first like sin A value. Then from this tan B also can be written as sin B by cos B. This is equal to y sin A by, yes, this 1 minus y cos E. From this all of you find sin B. Okay. So here the what are the options they given here? Okay, whether it is 1 or 2.
So y by x by y is given like that, sir. Question 23, sir.
Question number 23. Okay, right. So in this case, y by x by y is there. Okay, fine. Simple, Amma. In this case, what to do? Same. You can find x value and y value, then after x by y. So to find that, you can cross multiply here. All of you cross multiply. When you cross multiply here, so you are going to get. So options, they depending on the options, you have to see here x by y by x, like that is there. So what to do here? Here I am going to find like x value. When I cross multiply here, sin A into 1 minus x cos B is clearly equal to x into sin B cos A. In the same way here also, sin B into 1 minus y cos A is equal to y sin A cos B. So from this, multiply here sin A minus x sin A cos B is equal to x cos A sin B. The same here also sin B minus y cos A sin B. I am writing in order, y sin A cos B. Am I right? From this, what is sin A value is equal to this value, you can take right side. And what is the common here? X is common. If I take right side, it will become plus. So when I take a common here, sin A cos B, already right side when I take x common, cos A sin B is there, right? In the same way here also sin B value is, take y cos A sin B is right side and take it y is common. When I take y is common, then sin A cos B plus cos A sin B. Am I right? Now in the question they are asking sin A by sin B. What is sin A by sin B? Sin A by sin B is equal to, simple, these two will be cancelled. Am I right? So x by y. This is the answer.
Sir, you can simplify and write as cos of A plus B. So sin of A plus B.
Sine of A plus not required. It is OBT, no. Okay. If it is NCRT, you should, but it is OBT, so not. Clear, students? Simple. I find that sin A value, then after sin B value, I divide it both. Then sin A cos B plus cos A sin B, directly it is cancelled. Directly we got the answer. Okay, next. Question number?
So that's why it's a complete.
Yeah. Okay, students. If you're having any doubts, any question, you can ask. Otherwise, I'll go for level 3. Okay,
So
okay.
can you teach 20-second question alone again, sir?
20-second question. Okay, right. Can you tell me what is 20-second question?
So cos x by
Cos x by,
cos bracket x minus 2y
okay,
equal to lambda.
okay,
Then tan x minus tan bracket x minus y
okay,
tan y.
to tan y
What?
is equal to what? Also, what are the
Sir,
options
answers
there?
are in the form of lambda, sir. 1 plus lambda.
Okay, okay, okay. 1 plus lambda, 1 by 1 minus lambda, 1 minus lambda by 1 plus lambda. Okay, fine. See, students, first option, let us verify the first option. See here, 1 plus lambda by 1 minus lambda. Nothing but there is a formula, component of dividend. Do you have any idea about component of dividend? When A by B is equal to C by D, then component of dividend means it can be written as A plus B by A minus B. If I write LHS A plus B by A minus B, right side also C plus D by C minus D. We can
Last
write,
year we saw this.
yes, yes, this is called component of dividend. So, and also not only like this, A by B also can be written as A minus B by A plus B. Whatever the operation you apply left side, the say right side also, so you can apply the same operation like C minus D by C plus D. Okay, in the same way, here look at here, lambda can be written as lambda by 1. Lambda can be written as lambda by 1. So here, okay, 1 minus lambda is there. 1 minus lambda is there, so that what I have done here, I want to do one thing. Cos of x minus 2y, I want to write the reciprocal. It is equal to 1 by lambda. Now we can apply the component of dividend, like yeah, this one. Because in option, first option, 1 plus lambda by 1 minus lambda. So right side, if I write 1 plus lambda by 1 minus lambda. So what will you write left side? Cos of x minus 2y plus cos x.
Minus cos x.
So cos of x minus 2y by minus cos x. Now why don't you apply here? X minus y tan y will be there. It is in the form of, it is in the form of what? C plus d by c minus d. Shall I apply this formula here? Yes. Or else, students, what shall we do here? Apply cos c plus cos d formula. What is the formula for cos c plus cos d? 2.
Sir,
Cos
2 cos
C plus
c plus d by 2 into cos d c minus d by 2.
Exactly. Now, cos c denominator in the form of cos c minus cos t.
Minus 2 sin cos plus d c plus d by 2
No, no,
into
no. Minus 2 times the sine.
sin, sir. Sorry,
sir
sir.
into sin C minus D by 2.
Okay, this is common. C plus d by 2, c minus d by 2 is common. But what are the functions are coming, that only you have to remember. Okay. Other than that, it is easy, right? Now, these are the formulas they give. But what to do now with the help of these formulas? We have simplify LHS. So, can you tell me what is directly cos of c plus d by 2? Because it is object, you can write directly as step x
Why?
minus 2y plus, yes, x minus what?
Sir, x minus y, sir. 2x minus 2y.
Okay, okay. Then this one, C minus D by 2.
Minus 2y, sir. Cos is the negative function. It can negative. It can be converted into positive, sir.
Positive
So
only. But
y,
what is
sir.
inside?
Y.
It is
Minus 2y, sir. Y.
minus 2y by 2 means by 2 is also there now. So it is just minus y, I think so. Am I right? C
Yes, sir.
minus D, C minus D, x minus 2y minus x get cancelled, minus 2y by 2. Okay. Now what about denominator? Minus 2 times of sine
X minus y will come.
same,
Plus
but sine minus y only,
Minus
no? Okay, finally, look at here, 2 get cancelled. Here, look at here, cos of minus y is plus cos y, but sine of minus y
minus y.
Negative sign, y, sir.
also
So negative s and s, go
get,
two signs will get
becomes
cancelled.
positive. Am I right? This minus to minus, it will be positive. So here, shall I write here this value as cos by sine as tan of x minus y into tan x, sorry, cot of x minus y. Cos by sine, no? Cot of x minus y into cot x is equal to, see here, cos of minus theta is plus cos theta, but sine of minus theta is minus sine theta. Minus
But
sine,
minus
minus into minus plus. So this is equal to 1 plus lambda by 1 minus lambda. But in the question which is related to tan x minus y into tan y.
So take reciprocal.
we need to take reciprocal itself.
Okay, just take the reciprocal. Reciprocal means, so tan of x minus y into tan y is equal to 1 minus lambda by 1 plus lambda. So what is the correct option? Second option. Am I right? Okay, students, you may take directly also. Here I am taking 1 plus lambda by 1 minus lambda. Instead of that, why don't you take directly your minus in numerator, 1 minus lambda by 1 plus lambda. But anyone, we don't know exactly what is the answer it will come. So that anyhow, if you take like this, anyhow, finally we get the correct answer. Okay. Any other doubts? I applied componendo dividendo. This is called componendo dividendo, right? Remember this.
Sir, will you study about this in separate chapter, sir?
You study about?
We will study about this compound or dividend in separate chapters.
I know it's not a chapter, just it is a property.
Okay, sir.
It's not a, just a property. That's all. These are the two formulas are there. That's all. Okay. Any other doubts in classwork? Otherwise, shall I proceed for classwork 3? Your wish. In case if you get any doubts, even you can go through for solutions also. I already sent it. I posted in your group. Am I right? You can go through your classroom. I posted compound angles also, solutions also. Right, Amma. Let us see. Coming to exercise 3. What is the first question? Tan alpha, tan beta are the roots of the equation x square plus px plus q is equal to 0. Here p not equal to 0. Okay, p must be not equal to 0, they mention. Then what is the value of sine square alpha plus? So can you tell me what is the equation they given x square?
Plus
What is,
px plus q, sir. Tan and tan be your roots, sir.
okay, tan a, tan b or tan alpha, tan beta? Tan alpha, beta, right?
Yes,
Tan
sir.
alpha, tan beta are the roots. Can you tell me what is the sum of the roots? Tan alpha
Minus
plus
p
beta,
will minus
minus
p.
minus b. And the product of the roots, c by a. What is, we comparing this ax square plus bx plus c. Then minus b by a, c by a. C by a means q. Am I right? Okay, what is the value we need to find here? Students,
The sine square alpha plus beta
okay, sine square alpha plus beta,
plus p sine alpha plus beta
P of, okay, P sine alpha plus beta
into q alpha beta cos alpha beta.
into now, okay, into cos alpha beta, alpha plus beta,
So plus q cos square alpha plus beta.
cos
So
square,
cos square, not cos.
okay, cos square alpha plus beta value we need to find. Am I right? And q times of, okay. So what about this value? Very simple, students. See, tan alpha, tan beta, or the roots are given, and the tan alpha into tan beta also there. Since we know that here, let us take this is equation 1. So with the help of this, we'll find tan alpha plus beta. Is there any formula which is related to tan alpha plus beta by tan alpha beta? Yes, tan alpha plus beta. Tan
It's
alpha plus
1 minus alpha beta.
1 minus tan alpha beta. Because you know question also in terms of alpha plus beta. So first you should find tan alpha plus beta. What about this value, Omar? Minus p by
1 minus beta.
1 minus q. That is p by q minus 1. Am I right? Yeah, why don't we do like that? We can do in two ways. One is alpha plus, you can take a triangle here. Why don't you take right angle triangle? Then why don't you find the values here? Yeah. This is the alpha plus beta angle, twins. Okay. This I'm taking alpha plus beta. Then opposite value they give it as p. Then this is q minus 1. Then what about hypotenuse? Root over.
P square plus Q square plus 1 minus 2PQ. 2Q.
Okay, q minus 1 the whole square. First, anyhow, if we expand this p square plus q square minus 2q plus 1. Am I right? Anyhow, okay, this is the value we are getting. Then with the help of this, can we write all these values? We can easily write. Am I right? Now substitute here. Sine square. What is sine theta? Opposite by
Hypotenuse.
hypotenuse. So shall I write here?
Square means root 20.
P square by p square plus q minus 1 the whole square. Yes. Plus p times of what is sine alpha plus beta? P by square root hypotenuse into q minus 1 by hypotenuse plus q into cos square. Cos square means shall I write q minus 1 the whole square by this p square plus q minus 1 the whole square. Nothing but see here, in all three cases square into square same value. So denominator will be same. Am I right? So finally p square plus p square into q minus 1 plus q into q minus 1 the whole square. Okay. Q minus 1 the whole square. Am I right? By denominator is p square plus q minus 1 the whole square. Now p square, if you take p square is common, actually here minus p square plus p square get cancelled. Am I right? If I multiply here, okay, otherwise you can write one more step, no problem at all. So p square plus p square q minus p square, then plus q times of q minus 1 the whole square by p square plus q minus 1 the whole square. P square get cancelled again. What is the common in numerator? Q is common. Okay. What are the options they given? Right. So what about if I take q common? Q here q is common. Am I right, student? When I take q common, numerator denominator will be Am I right? Shall I cancel these two? What is the answer then finally?
Q.
Q, is it right answer? Q option is the fourth option, but let us verify. So after getting the answer, every time you should verify whether your answer is correct or not. So is it difficult? So with the help of that conditions, I found tan alpha plus beta value, that is tan alpha plus tan beta by 1 minus tan alpha tan beta. So with the help of right angle triangle, I substituted. But in solutions, I given in different way. Am I right? So whatever the procedure you want, you can go through that. This is easy. Okay, right? Then is it clear or any doubts? Right, next question. So maximum you can try to solve this kind of questions like level 3. So you can easily do mains level problems. Right, second question. Can you tell me what is UN, what is VN here? UN. Is twins, what is UN?
The sin and theta,
Sin N,
theta
theta, okay.
into secant power n theta.
Secant power N theta, okay. Sin N theta, okay, sin N theta, right. Secant power N theta, okay. VN value,
The cos n theta
okay,
plus secant power n theta into secant power n theta.
okay. Then,
Sir, for values n equal to 0, 1, 2.
okay, 0, 1, 2 alone. Then in the question we need to find Vn minus, okay, here we need to find Vn, Vn minus 1, Un minus 1, tan theta. Tan theta is equal to what? Vn minus Vn minus 1 plus Un minus 1, tan theta value we need to find. Okay, student, first what I have to do? Yeah, substitute all values here. Vn first, Vn nothing but see cos of n theta secant power n theta minus, just to replace n by n minus 1 in place of Vn. So cos of n minus 1 theta secant power n minus 1 to theta. See student, I am writing in shortcut way. Try to do the problem in this shortcut way. So the lot of time will be saved. Even in physics also, the trigonometric functions everywhere in physics also. Okay. Then this is Vn minus 1 plus Un minus 1. So sine of n minus 1 into theta secant to the power of n minus 1 theta into tan theta. So this value is equal to what? Okay, cos n theta phi. See, secant power n minus theta will be there in second term and third term. Shall I take this is common then? Okay. And also, if I take this value is common, cos n theta secant power n theta minus of secant to the power of n minus 1 theta is common. Remaining value is n minus 1 into theta plus sine of n minus 1 into theta. Okay, what is the remaining value? Tan theta, shall I write tan theta sine theta by cos theta squared? Is it right? minus, yeah, secant power n minus 1 into theta. I want to take LCM is cos theta. When I take cos theta is LCM, shall I write like this here? Cos of multiply with the theta, n theta minus theta, multiply with the theta here. Into if I cross multiply into cos theta, yeah, plus sine of n theta minus theta into sine theta. Is it clear or any doubts? I'm taking cos theta is LCM. You should write completely outside secant to the power of n minus 1 theta by cos theta into what about this student? Can anyone tell that what to do here? What do you
Sir,
observe here?
substitute the values, either of them.
Sin theta to get sub.
Cos A cos B plus sin A sin B. What is the formula?
Cos
What is
of
the
x minus y.
yes cos of
X minus y, sir. So n theta minus theta
n theta
minus theta.
minus theta. Am I right?
Yes, sir.
Minus theta or plus theta?
The minus only, sir, because
Minus
Sir,
and
plus theta, sir. N theta minus theta.
not plus theta. It
Not,
is according
it
to
is
this. It is
not
right.
sir.
See, from starting onwards, I'm observing you. I thought that anyone say something correct answer. I have a mistake here. No one can find. So why? So nearly almost 24 students are there in the class. No one can find what is the mistake I have done. What is the mistake I have done? Don't know.
on the numerator against sin theta system, sir.
No, no. Look at here. Look at here. When I take secant power minus secant power minus, I'm taking common. Then what about this symbol? Is it plus or minus?
Minus, sir.
Then why don't you see? The answer completely becomes wrong when you are not taking sign also. Here we are getting like this. So what is the correct option they given? Once you check the answer, whether 0 or 1 or sin theta or cos theta. Tell me if anyone.
So they have given 0 as answer, sir.
0, but see, if you take here instead of plus, minus, if you take plus, you never get any answer here given following options. So what is the correct answer then? Here it is minus. Minus nothing but cos A cos B minus sin A sin B is cos A plus B.
Cos A plus B.
It is plus. Now see here theta minus theta get cancelled. Here cos remaining is cos n theta. N theta at first term and second term will be same cos n theta here. Secant power n theta. Yes, here secant power n minus 1. If I take cos theta into numerator, that is also secant theta. Am I right? Into cos n theta. So you can take cos n theta is common. Then clearly it is secant power n theta minus secant power n theta. Yes or no? Bases are same. Add the power. So what is the answer here? 0. But if you are not observed, we don't get any answer. Carefully how to do it. These are the mains as well as advanced type of questions, right? Any doubt in this question? What I have done, I simplified first the second term and third term. So it will becomes, it is equal to the first term, but minus will be there, it will be equal to 0. Simple. Yes, friends. Next. Next, sine theta plus a by theta plus b is equal to this value. That what is tan square theta? Okay, here it is simple. So tell me what is the given question. Sine theta plus a by sine theta plus b is equal to root over sine 2a by sine 2b. Which implies what is the value we need to find here? Tan square theta. What? Tan square theta value is what? Am I right? Question number 3. So what to do first? You have to squaring on both sides. Then apply this sine of a plus b. It is in the form of sine of a plus b. What is the formula for sine a plus b?
Sin A
Sine.
cos B.
Sin A cos B plus cos A.
Is that right? The denominator? Yes.
It is in the same format.
Is equal to, yes, 20. I'm squaring. I want to squaring on both sides. Here also root sine 2 theta formula. Shall I write 2 sine theta cos theta? Am I right? Shall I write like this? Yes, we
So
can
the whole
write.
square,
Yeah, whole square, then square will get cancelled here.
the 2 and 2 will get cancelled.
Yeah, very good. Then remaining value you should cross multiply. You should cross multiply, and also they are asking to find what is the value they are asking. Tan square. Tan square means, shall I take here some value is common? Yes. Then anyhow, if you take sine theta is common in numerator here, take sine theta common here, take denominator cos theta is common, sine theta by cos theta. A square will be there, then tan square theta will get directly. Otherwise, if you confuse that, you do one thing. Here, apply the
Then it
formula.
is in the form of A plus B the whole square.
Yeah, a plus b whole square. That is a square plus b square plus 2ab you can apply, and also you can cross multiply and simplify. So whatever the way we'll do, see, I want to do one thing. I want to take sine theta is common, then cos a by sine theta.
Sir, we can do another method also, sir. We can write cos A as sin 90 minus 90.
Yeah, we can write sine 90 minus. Then after what is the formula we can apply?
Sir, we can take sin 90 into minus sin A, sir. We can take sin A as common in this.
Okay. Tan square theta, tan theta if you take common here, then here cos theta by sin theta into sin A, the whole square. Square. I'm taking sin theta common in numerator. I have written here in the same way cos theta common in denominator. Okay, you might be confusing if I do like this. Okay, you may do like this. Take common directly will get tan square. The tan square remaining value you can cross multiply, and you can simplify. You are going to get any one of the option here. Okay, or else simply square. All of you square here simply. Can do the square. A plus b whole square by a minus b whole square. Do it fast. Strings, do it fast. Otherwise, sine theta, sine square theta, cos square a. Yes. Uh, it's cos square theta, sine square a. 2 sine theta, cos theta, cos a, sine a into, yeah, you can cross multiply this cos b into sine b. is clearly equal to, again same, a plus b whole square. So sine square theta cos square b plus cos square theta sine square b plus 2. Yeah, what about this 2 sine theta cos theta cos b sine b into sine a cos a. See student, anything will be cancelled on both sides. Anyone? What it will be cancelled? After multiplying this, both will be equal or not? Same or not? Yeah, these two will be cancelled. Then what is the remaining value? Remaining values is just multiply here this cos b. So here cos sine square theta. So cos square a cos b sine b plus cos square theta sine square a cos b sine b minus these values also can take into uh, left side. So sine square theta cos square b sine a cos a minus cos square theta sine square b sine a cos a. Okay, students. Now what to do here?
Sir, doubt, sir.
Yeah.
Sir, how, sir, that if we take inside cos b, sin a, cos a, how it will get cancelled?
Okay, what is the value here? Okay, both will be equal, is there?
Yes, sir.
Both will be same term or not when I multiply here? Cos
Ah,
A,
okay,
cos
sir.
B,
I
sin A, sin B.
didn't see equal, sir.
Yeah, equal is there, equal. Okay. So that I have written here, it is equal to 0 now. Okay, students. Now we can simplify this. You can by sin square theta term, you can take common. Cos square you can take. After that cos square whole, you can take cos square common. From that you are going to get tan square is common. From that you will get tan. So you can try this. You can try it because time is over.